Today we're here at 2419 44th Avenue in San Francisco. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath with approximately 1,900 square feet of interior space. It was recently renovated just before these last tenants. At the entry, we have this wonderful tile floor and keypad entry, which immediately opens into large living room. You can see these tall floor-to-ceiling windows with plenty of light in. You have a working gas fireplace. And over here, we have a dining room table area with a modern fixture. Moving on to the kitchen, you can see an eat-at counter with quartz countertops and a deep basin sink. Plenty of cabinet storage throughout with very modern finishes. Stainless steel appliances, a large fridge, and a gas range with a nice hood. You can also see this really cool textured tile backsplash. Moving past the kitchen, we come to our first bedroom. As you can see, it's easily large enough to fit a king-size bed and then some. Amazing ocean view, that's Ocean Beach down there. And this is our first view of the backyard. Each bedroom has a decent-sized closet with organizer. Here's a second bedroom, currently being used as an office. Again, it's large enough to fit a king or queen size bed, and the closet also has a closet organizer. Come to the first bath. Very modern finishes, very cool textured flooring tile. And then we have a tub with a shower overhead and a large single vanity. As we start downstairs, we head into the master bedroom, or potentially 2 bedrooms, depending on how you would like to lay it out. This one's being used as a gym currently. You can see it has a full closet, again with organizer. Here's access to our backyard. And here's the master suite. Large enough for a king bed. Same closet organizer here. And then modern finishings. Floating dual vanity. And a nice large shower. Standing shower. The separation between the master suite and the rest of the bedroom is a barnyard door. And then entering the backyard, we can see it's a very good sized yard. Plenty of patio space. You can have some planters out here or entertain. Great place for a backyard barbecue. There's the view of the back of the house. Going opposite the master suite from the stairs, we have a laundry area with high-end washer and dryer, front loading. And then we come to our large 1-car garage. As you can see, there's plenty of storage along the wall. There's a bike organizer and plenty of room to the side. And here we have a utility cabinet that extends quite a bit back for additional storage.